Hello friends, welcome to another session of video tutorial on Selenium Java. In today's session, we are going to take a look at Apache POI introduction. Please subscribe, like, share, comment the videos on this channel. If you have any training inquiries, please contact me at Tech-Trainer@gmail.com. Okay, let us begin by looking at what is Apache POI. Before that, let us understand the automation frameworks. There are quite a few framework designs available. Among them, a data-driven approach has gained popularity over the years. And for this data-driven approach, the data is made available through either CSV file or Excel sheet. Providing data through Excel sheet has gained popularity since the maintenance of data is very easy, as well as you can have headers. Okay, there are a lot of libraries available when we use the .NET to connect to Excel sheet and fetch the data from there. But whenever it comes to Java, there are libraries available, but among them the most popular one is Apache POI Library. Okay, let us take a look at what is Apache POI. Apache POI is an open source library developed by Apache Foundation, which provides popular API which allows programmers to interact with MS Office files using Java programs. It's nothing but it's a set of library which is provided by Apache Foundation to interact with Microsoft Office files. It is not only Excel sheet, it can also interact with the Word and other MS Office files. And Apache POI libraries are free to use. Okay, so let us see what is POI. POI is nothing but poor obfuscation implementation of libraries which interacts with MS Office files. There are two types of libraries available to interact with Excel workbook. Whenever we talk about a data-driven approach, the data is stored in Excel sheet. There are two Excel formats available. One is with the extension .xls and the other one is .xlsx. To interact with these two file formats, there are two different libraries available with Apache POI. The first one is HSSF, which is horrible spreadsheet format, and it is a pure Java implementation of Excel 97 up until 2007, and it only deals with .xls file format. Okay, so there is another library which is available, which is also called XML spreadsheet format, in other words XSSF, which is also again a pure Java implementation of Excel 2007 up until the latest version, which provides XML file format, that is .xlsx format. Okay, nowadays most of them are using .xlsx. If you have to deal with .xls file format, then you need to use HSSF. Otherwise, you can work with XSSF alone, which is XML spreadsheet format. HSSF and XSSF provides ways to work with spreadsheets with operations such as create, modify, read and write to spreadsheets. Let us open up the browser and go to poi.apache.org. This is where you can find the documentation for Apache POI libraries. Okay, if you go to Components API, there are libraries available which interacts with Excel sheet, PowerPoint, MS Word, Outlook, Visio, and so on and so forth. So all these are available under Components API. Okay, the one which we are going to deal with is only Excel file format, that is HSSF and XSSF. Okay, if you click on that, a lot of useful documentation which are available, and they have provided the examples also here. I'm going to go through a simple example of how to use HSSF and XSSF in the next video. Okay, that is about the introduction to Apache POI. Please stand by for more videos on this channel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.